In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create clean digital line art from sketch to ink. By the end, you'll know how to set up your canvas, rough in a sketch, pick the right inking tool, and trace clean, confident lines that are ready for web or print. Let's start by setting up the canvas. Choose a resolution that matches your final output. 300 dpi is standard for print because it preserves crisp detail on paper, while 72 dpi is optimized for screens and keeps file sizes small for web use. After creating the canvas, add a new drawing layer. You can work on a raster layer, which behaves like traditional pixels, or a vector layer, which is ideal for line art you might want to edit later. Vector lines are scalable and easier to tweak, so they're often the best choice for clean inking. Before inking, make a quick rough sketch. Select a pencil tool. Something like a design pencil or a darker pencil works great for this stage. Keep the sketch loose and focused on shapes and proportions rather than perfection. Place it on its own layer, then lower the layer's opacity to around 20 to 40%. This keeps your guide visible without competing with the final lines and helps you see your inking clearly as you work. Now choose your pen tool from the tool palette. Different pen types give different feels. A G pen delivers bold, comic-style lines with responsive thickness. A mapping pen excels at thin, delicate details and fine texture. A turnip pen is excellent for smooth, flowing curves. In the tool property window, adjust brush size for line weight, opacity if you want softer lines, and stabilization to smooth out shaky strokes. If your hands run a bit unsteady, increasing stabilization can make your lines look more professional without extra effort. Create a new layer above your sketch and name it something like line art. This keeps your ink separate and easy to manage. Trace over the sketch with clean, deliberate strokes. Aim for longer, confident motions instead of many small scratches. Use the Shift key to draw perfectly straight lines when you need them, and turn on a symmetry ruler if you're working on mirrored designs like faces, armor, or logos. Don't be shy about zooming in, zooming out, and rotating the canvas to find comfortable angles. Your line quality improves when your wrist moves naturally. Adjust brush size on the fly to vary line weight and emphasize form, and take your time. Smooth, intentional strokes are the heart of great line art.